USDC went from just another crypto coin to Wall Street's favorite stablecoin. In just a few years, this digital dollar, created by two major crypto companies, Circle and Coinbase, became the essential bridge connecting the world of blockchain with traditional finance. But how did that even happen? Let's break it down. Back in 2018, two giants, Coinbase and Circle, joined forces to create something truly revolutionary. They formed the CENTRE Consortium, an open-source project with one crystal-clear mission: to make money move as seamlessly as information travels online. Think about that for a second. Instant, global, and frictionless. While Circle brought its deep financial infrastructure to the table, Coinbase provided something equally valuable: crypto credibility and access to a massive user base. Together, they launched USD Coin, or USDC, a digital dollar fully backed one-to-one by cash and short-term US treasuries. This wasn't just another stablecoin. It was designed from the ground up to be a stablecoin you could actually trust. Unlike its main competitor at the time, Tether, which was constantly facing questions and doubts about its reserves, USDC embraced transparency. It was regularly audited by top accounting firms and operated within established regulatory frameworks. That commitment to trust quickly became its superpower. It wasn't about flashy marketing or hype. It was about building a reliable foundation that people and institutions could depend on. As the crypto market started to mature, something significant happened. The big players on Wall Street began paying attention. By 2021, the tide had truly turned. Major financial institutions like BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, BNY Mellon, America's oldest bank, and even the global payments network Visa, all began collaborating with Circle. USDC was no longer just a coin traded on crypto exchanges. It was evolving into a fundamental layer of financial infrastructure. In a move that sent shockwaves through both industries, BlackRock even started managing a portion of USDC's reserves. This was a historic moment, blurring the lines between crypto and Wall Street like never before. The message was clear. The old guard was taking this new technology very seriously. And when traditional banks began exploring blockchain for settling transactions, which digital asset do you think they turned to? You guessed it, USDC. Its stability, transparency, and regulatory compliance made it the perfect tool for these experiments, proving that it could function within the demanding environment of legacy finance. What was happening was more than just a business success story. It represented a fundamental philosophical shift. For the very first time, the often combative worlds of cryptocurrency and traditional banking were finding common ground. It was a meeting of two different ideologies, each bringing something unique to the table. Crypto offered its core strengths: unparalleled transparency, programmability, and near-instant speed. Wall Street, on the other hand, brought centuries of experience, massive scale, and perhaps most importantly, institutional trust. USDC became the handshake, the common language that allowed these two once opposing systems to communicate and collaborate. Suddenly, USDC was everywhere. It powered international payments and remittances, cutting out slow and expensive intermediaries. It became the backbone of countless DeFi protocols, providing a stable asset for lending, borrowing, and trading. Even the booming world of NFTs started using USDC as a reliable unit of value for pricing and transactions. The focus was shifting away from pure speculation and towards real, tangible utility. So, what's the ultimate lesson from USDC's incredible rise? It's simple but powerful. In the world of finance, real, enduring power doesn't come from hype or short-term trends. It comes from trust. When a groundbreaking technology is thoughtfully aligned with regulation and a genuine commitment to transparency, even the most skeptical and conservative institutions will eventually come around. They might be slow to adapt, but they can't ignore a tool that is both innovative and reliable. That's precisely the story of USDC. It started as a crypto experiment, a bold idea from two forward-thinking companies. And it has evolved into a cornerstone of the emerging digital finance ecosystem, a testament to what's possible when you build for the long term. So the next time someone tells you that crypto is dying or that it's just a passing fad, remember this story. Crypto didn't vanish. It grew up, it evolved. And USDC is the undeniable proof. This is DCA Crypto, where we decode the stories that are shaping the future of money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next episode where we'll explore the global dollar. See you then.